So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing an A.O. Smith 50-gallon water heater, natural gas, ultra low NOx. I believe this is straight out of Lowe's, and homeowner purchased this, brought it out. We demoed the old water heater out and have it on the truck. We're going to dispose of that for them on a weekday, not today. And so starting up top, we've got 3/4 shutoff valve. We replaced the existing gate valve. So 3/4 shutoff valve, brass nipple, and then a Falcon stainless steel connector, full 3/4 inside diameter down to a brass extension. Over on this side, we just tied into the existing pipe coming out of the wall with another Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. So brass and stainless flow very well. The iron pipe existing in the home, not so much, but that's what you've got. So anyways, this is a dual wall B vent sticking through the ceiling bucket, so we've got to tie back into that. The reason they put that in is they're within 6 inches of the wall, and so they need dual wall B vent, which means you can be within 1 inch of the wall. And then when they get further away, you make a transition to the single wall pipe. So it's your pipe, your 90, just put the vent right back in, cut it down a little bit. Draft diverter came with the water heater, so that's installed. Relief valve was installed from the factory, so you shouldn't have any trouble with that. Bradford white, which is what we normally install, is on top, and you have to install it. But this is already installed, so we didn't work on that just there. We just gave you another Falcon stainless steel connector, a little short nipple right here. And this is a drain line only, so it's not potable water that you'd be sending to your home. It's just a drain. In the event there's too much temperature and/or pressure, this will pop off and relieve it outside of the building. So, and this is full 3/4 inside diameter. So that's good. Over to existing nipple in the wall, done. Upper third, we've got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we've got an adjustable strap. Over here, we disassembled the gas line and reconfigured it. The drip leg was already there. The T was there. We just gave you a brand new valve and then a brand new gas connector over to the controller. Right here, as you can see, right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. Right now, we've got it set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. Anything over 125, you run the risk of scalding. If you have problems in the home at any fixture, a shower valve, a single handle faucet that is not giving you the temperature you need, more than likely you've got a cartridge problem or a cross connection, something going on. This is a brand new water heater. It's going to send you 120 degrees out to your different fixtures. And so then you would have a mixing problem at the, don't come up here and turn the, I guess the point is, don't come under, turn it up to A 130, B 140, C 150, very hot 160. At B 140, third degree burns 3 seconds, unless you're an infant or elderly with very thin skin. 1 second, you're going to the hospital. So very critical. So that's where we leave it, just for liability purposes, and document it. And again, so their water heater we installed, they're going to haul away the old one. Outside of that, this installation is done.